Article 11. Justifying circumstances. The following do not incur any criminal liability. Number 1. Anyone who acts in defense of his person or rights provided that the following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggression. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it. Third, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. Number 2, anyone who acts in defense to the person or rights of his spouse, ascendants, descendants, or legitimate, natural, or adopted brothers or sisters, or of his relatives by affinity in the same degrees, and those by consanguinity within the fourth civil degree, provided that the first and second requisites prescribed in the text preceding circumstances are present, and the further requisites. In case the provocation was given by the person attacked, that the one making defense had no part therein. Number 3, anyone who acts in defense to the person or rights of a stranger, provided that the first and second requisites are mentioned in the first circumstances in this article are present, and that the person defending be not induced by revenge, resentment, or other evil motive. Number 4, any person who, in order to avoid an evil or injury, does an act which cause damage to another, provided that the following requisites are present. First is that the evil sought to be avoided actually exists. Second is that the injury feared be greater than to avoid it. Third is that there are no other practical or less harmful means of preventing it. Number 5, any person who acts in the fulfillment of a duty or in the lawful exercise of a right or office. Lastly, number 6, any person who acts in obedience to an order issued by a superior for some lawful purpose. Thank you.